welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing these Yeezy 700s. I was lucky and I won the Beyond Store raffle and I picked them up from their store yesterday. I initially didn't like these that much, but then this is the third release that they've done with these shoes, so I've seen people wearing them and stuff like that, so I slowly began to like these. Then I decided that yeah, I do want these, and now let's see how they look in person. This box was actually bigger than the other boxes of Yeezy that I have, like the 500s and the 350s. So it's pretty weird because these shoes don't actually look that big. These actually look pretty tiny. These look like baby slippers. Yeah. And also this box is, otherwise, it's pretty similar to the 350 box. It has the 700 here, and then it has the boost on the side which the 500s don't have. And yeah, these are made by Adidas and not Adidas Original, which the 350s are made, or the 350s are from Adidas Original, and these are from Adidas, and also the 500s are from Adidas, so yeah. But these are more of a sporty looking sneaker, and also it has the daddy vibes. But yeah, I really like these. The colors are really cool, and I feel like they're gonna match with many things because they have cool colors and they are gonna be kind of like a statement piece, but not that much of. So that's really cool. So these have the yellow, like light yellow laces, and then they have like dark khaki green here at the front, and then they have this blue, like dark blue grayish color here, and then the whole shoe is pretty much gray and black, and then it has this off-white bottom. Also, it has a lot of these reflecting parts. So here on the side it has the 3 Adidas stripes, which aren't that, you can't see them that clearly, but they are reflective. And also these little dots here are reflective, and also at the back it has these dots and they are also reflective. And yeah, and then these pieces that keep the shoelaces in place, they are also reflective. So these are a pretty good shoe for the fall because it is going to get really dark, at least here in Finland. So yeah, cars are going to see you, and yeah. And every time I go out, I usually wear something black during the fall, and then I never wear anything reflective, so these shoes will go perfectly with that. These shoes are actually really expensive. These retail for 330 euros, which is a lot for kind of a basic sneaker. Yeezy's retail is mostly 220 or something like that, so these were really expensive. I have to try these on to know if they're as comfortable, but these look really good quality, but still 330 is a lot for like a basic sneaker, especially because this isn't like a high-end brand, it's Adidas. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how these look on feet, and then afterwards tell you how they work. So I just tried them on, and these actually, I don't think these were as comfortable as the 350s. I still feel like 350s are super comfortable, even though I've seen some reviews of these that these are the most comfortable shoe ever and they're definitely worth the price. And I feel like these could be cheaper, but I still don't feel like, well, they are kind of overpriced, but I still don't regret buying these because these are a great shoe. And also these were comfortable, but comparing to the other Yeezys, or especially the 350s, I don't feel like these are as comfortable, but still super comfortable. So yeah. I was thinking that I was gonna do a video of comparing all the Yeezys, like the 350s, the 500s, and the 700s. So if you're interested in that, like a Yeezy battle, then please comment down below and make sure you like this video. But yeah, this was it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!